Hi there, I'm Peter Millard, and in today's short video I'm going to show you how I go about templating an alcove for shelves or cabinets. That's coming up next. So yeah, templating an alcove when you put shelves or a cabinet in there is one of those kind of fundamental things. This is the last sort of big install that I've got on the go at the moment, and it's 3 sets of fitted shelves going into alcoves. And although the shelves themselves will have backs fitted to them, so we don't need to scribe every single shelf, the base battens that will support the whole weight of the shelves need to be scribed into the alcove quite carefully. And what I do in that process, rather than trying to mess about and scribe these on site, there'll still be some that needs to be done, but what I do is I take a regular piece of MDF that's cut 15 or 20 mil inside of the size that you need, and I just cut small strips of Corex. This could be cardboard, could be anything. I like Corex because it's I have plenty of it, and this is just sort of double-sided into position. You literally you take this square section and you hold it against the wall at the height that your buttons are going to go, and you can just sort of tape the Corex down around the edge so that it just touches the walls, and it gives you the actual shape of the alcove. And what I do then is I just put sort of tape around the edges just to hold everything down, just in case the double-sided tape comes up, lets go, because obviously you don't want to lose any of those little pieces. So back in the workshop we can take our sort of template with bits of Corex on it, and we can put that against a fresh, clean piece of board and trace a line around that Corex to give us the actual shape. Now we can either then cut that out to give us, close enough the perfect scribed shape, or something I do occasionally is to take little strips of 12 mil or whatever scrap you've got and just mark around the edge with that, so you've got something that you can actually fit your battens into, so you know that it's a close fit. Now obviously nothing's perfect, and those battens will still need a little bit of scribing on site, but that'll mostly be hand plane work rather than work with the jigsaw or bandsaw. That's how I do it anyway. Works really well for me. Hopefully it'll work well for you too. But that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.